Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and welcome back to this video. In this video, we wanted to share with you as to why the US market keeps rising while the rest of the world is shifting. We are halfway through 2025 and much of the world seems to be moving towards a reset, politically, economically, and strategically. Yet, one thing remains oddly unchanged, that is the resilience of the US financial markets. While the commentators debate the end of American exceptionalism, markets are delivering a completely different message and markets are defying expectations. The US stock markets are still climbing, bond yields are holding steady, and the fears that the tariffs would drive inflation or slower growth haven't really played out, at least not yet. Forecasts for weaker earnings and higher inflation have been circulating for months, but the data is still running ahead of expectations. So, what is holding everything up? First and foremost, the corporate earnings are remaining stable. Secondly, the inflation really hasn't surged all that much. Thirdly, the retail investors are doubling down with stock ownerships now at record highs. The buybacks are also booming. US companies are repurchasing shares at figures of $4 billion per day on average. Now, together, all these forces are keeping the market up, despite wider concerns about global instability and fiscal recklessness. Add to this the quiet role of AI. A bigger part of the optimism is the belief that AI will drive the next wave of productivity. We are witnessing a surge in the US led AI platforms, with 8 of the world's top 10 by user base being American. Enthusiasm is translating into capital expenditure, merger and acquisition interest, and equity bets, all reinforcing a tech driven growth narrative. But this confidence does have its cracks. None of this is to say that the optimism is bulletproof. There are growing imbalances under the surface. First and foremost, the AI investments lack a clear return pipeline. Secondly, the tariffs could have a delayed inflationary impact. And thirdly, the consumer strength may be masking reliance on deficit spending. Despite all the talks that are going on, we are not seeing meaningful pullback from foreign investors despite the political noise, the regulatory threats, and broader uncertainty. Is it inertia or does it have it? Or maybe it's just a fear of what else is out there. So, where does that leave us? The US market is not ignoring the risk, it's just prioritizing momentum. As long as the data holds and the AI boom continues to excite, investors seem content to look past the political volatility and macro concerns. But when a market starts floating above fundamentals, the question isn't will it correct, it is what's going to trigger the correction.